Happy New Year! I'm David Stark, and welcome to a special edition of the East Bay Real Estate Weather Report. We'll look back at trends and forces influencing buyers and sellers during 2024. For the second year in a row, one of those forces was mortgage interest rates. While rising interest rates had a chilling effect on buyers and sellers during 2023, during 2024, they were both more comfortable with rates in the 6 to 7% range. Sellers who wanted to make a change didn't wait for rates to drop. They put their homes on the market. On average, there were more than 1,700 homes listed for sale each month during 2024, compared with about 1,300 homes during 2023. How did buyers deal with more choices and higher rates? More homes for sale brought more buyers into the market. More competition pushed prices up slightly compared with 2023. The median sales price for a single-family detached home in the East Bay was in the 1.14 range during 2024, up compared with 2023. So, buyers had more choices and at the same time were looking at higher prices. How did that impact home sales? Buyers wanted to become homeowners in the East Bay. Compared to 2023, there were more homes sold. Sure, sales were down compared to 2021 and 2022. However, the interest rate and inventory situations were very different then as well. The increase in sales during 2024 shows sellers were willing to make a change and weren't waiting for rates to drop. Buyers weren't waiting either, and homeownership in the East Bay was still desirable. That was 2024. What about 2025? The California Association of Realtors are predicting a statewide increase in sales during 2025, and a similar trend is likely here in the East Bay. Why? Interest rates will be a factor again for both sellers and buyers. While it's unlikely we'll see a 3% interest rate ever again, there's a sense among economists that slightly lower rates are coming. This could mean more homes on the market and more home sales. Next month, we'll see if that's happening in each East Bay community. Happy New Year, and see you then.